how to find your niche. How to find a niche on the YouTube space. You want to create your YouTube channel. The first thing you must do is to get a niche. What is a niche? A niche is a subsector of all the sectors that are profitable on the YouTube space. What do I mean? A niche is something you have flair for, you can do effortlessly, without stress. That is your niche. Welcome to Rap Tutorials. This is a YouTube channel where you are taught all you need to do to navigate your YouTube space profitably. Follow me as we discuss. Subscribe, like, and follow me, and let us go on. How do you find your niche? And like I told you, a niche is one of the subsectors for the sectors in the online space. Your niche could be online marketing. It could be tutorial, just as I'm doing now. It could be jogging, keeping fit. It could be sports. It could be cooking. It could be vlogging. You show your daily activity, your daily lifestyle. So these are some of the niches. So you need to find out which one that you are very good at and you can do effortlessly and profitably. That is your niche. Make a list of all the niches, even more than all the ones I've listed. And out of all of them, find out which one you know you can do very, very well. If you don't know how to make the list, you know their names, you can go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT can tell you all the niches you can find in online space and on YouTube in particular. So having seen them, then you select, you look at the topic, the one you know that you can do very, very well, you are very good at, you have flair. That is your niche. So find out, make a list of those sectors. I've mentioned them, and there are still many. And then select out of them which one you know you can do very well. You can see me now. I'm teaching. My niche is tutorial. I'm teaching. I have flair for teaching, for talking. I can face camera. I can face crowd. I can talk. Give me any topic, I will dissect it. That is my flair. That is my niche. I'm a teacher. I can lecture. So I'm at home with it. That is my niche. So find out the one you are good at and you can do profitably and help others. Make others to like what you are doing and to gain from what you are doing. That is your niche. Number 2, make a research about that niche. How profitable is that very niche? Make a research. Use Google Trends and Google YouTube suggestion. It will give you a lowdown of all you need to know about that niche. The competition there, how many people are there, the watch hour. It will tell you. You know whether that niche is profitable. So make a research about that niche. Don't just jump into a niche without making adequate findings about that very niche. So if you are just joining me now, this is Rap Tutorials. Subscribe to this channel, like, and follow us as we continue. Now, having made your research, analyze the competition. Find out the competitiveness of that niche. Is it too competitive? So that you can know whether you continue or you go down, you niche down under that. Look for low competitive niche, sub-niche under it. What do I mean? Assuming you take something like health. You take health, there are a lot of branches in health. If you take general health, that will be too cumbersome for you. Then you can niche down to probably mental health. How you can be bringing information about mental health of people. If you niche down and discover that place is less competitive, you can zero into that place and be bringing that information about it. You discover that you are like a master there. You don't have competition. So niche down, analyze the competitiveness of that niche. If the competition is so high, then niche down. Break it down, break that sector down, and go to a place where there is less competition. Zero in there, you can be bringing that information in that place. I discovered that a lot of people will follow you. Don't just jump into bandwagon of what people are doing. So you can niche down, you can go down under the subsector, like I've mentioned. Then the next one, find out the monetization potential of that niche. Does it have potential for monetization, for making money? You find out. There are some niches that can make you money easily. A lot of people come into it because that is what they are looking for, like make money online, health. Those niches, if you are good in it, you can go into that. So find out how you can monetize easily in that niche also. That niche can be easily monetized. And you can be attached, you can make extra money through it by attaching affiliate marketing onto it. Then go into that niche. Make your research, make your finding. It's very, very key. Then the next one is, having done that, then make a test run, make a video about that niche, about your own niche you have taken now. Make a short video and test run it to see how you stand there. Making that video means that your title of that video must have keywords. Keywords are the words that relate to that video that will make the search engine to bring you out, to make you go viral. Keywords. We'll talk about the keywords sometimes later. So those keywords must be in your title. In your description, you must put keywords there also, and hashtag. This will make the search engine to make your video to go viral. So all these are very, very important. Make your research about that niche. When you do all these things, then you have opportunity of going viral. The search engine optimization will be able to push your video to the algorithm will be able to push your video to the right people that need it. So do all these things and you discover that you go viral. So if you are just joining me, this is Rap Tutorial, where we tell you how to navigate the YouTube space profitably. Please subscribe to this channel to encourage us. Subscribe, like, and then share. Make a comment also. Will be responded to. Thank you for having followed me thus far. Thank you. You are welcome.